Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Engineering with Chris. Today we're looking at the Air Vue wireless system. This wireless system was intended for tractor-trailer systems such as this, and it features a 7-inch touchscreen monitor over here. The idea of this is that instead of pairing wirelessly with the trailer to the monitor, we actually pair over the power line. And this is to ensure that if you have many tractor-trailers in a bay right next to each other, that truck A does not grab trailer B, for example, and we'll grab communicate with the right equipment. And so it does this. The wireless transmitter sends a pulse over the power line, and the monitor over here is listening for that same pulse to make sure that, yes, I saw your handshake. We're definitely connected on the same wired connection, so that must mean that we are connected. Go ahead and let's meet up over a wireless channel, and we'll transmit the data wirelessly. So pairs wired, data is wireless. So that's kind of how the system is set up. The system does support doubles and triple trailers, and so that's kind of what this view shows you here. These blue are the additional wired cameras, so if you wanted to have side cameras or front cameras on your tractor, you can do that with this system here. It also supports a CVBS video output, so that way you can output all the video feed to your DVR system if you wanted to. And so now we'll kind of see how the system looks when it pairs up. So I'll go ahead and I'll plug this in. See the pairing light, searching for camera detected, paired. Excellent. Okay, and there's our paired image. Happens very fast. This connection is made as soon as the driver connects the 7-way to the trailer and the wireless transmitter receives power. It's trying to shake hands with the monitor. So we'll just kind of pair up effortlessly like that. How this system is different from traditional wireless systems. So here I have an RVS 4W HD system. In this instance, the monitor is always looking for unpaired wireless cameras. And so when it detects a wireless camera, it just pairs up. It doesn't necessarily know what trailer it's on or anything like that. It's just trying to pair up with anything it sees open and ready for connection. Now, this setup would be ideal for somebody who has 2 trucks, but they share a trailer. And so the trailer's kind of swapping around, but there's not many trailers in the fleet. The Air Vue system is designed for people who have many tractor trailers and are constantly swapping them around. And so that this ensures that even in a crowded bay, the right wireless transmitter is always paired up with the right monitor. So that's a quick overview of Air Vue. I will do a deep dive on the monitor functionality in a follow-up video, but that's just to give an idea about what Air Vue looks like and how it is different.